Welcome to Canara Bank Fund Transfer Tutorial for other banks. Open canarabank.com in your web browser, then click on Net Banking from the top right menu bar. Then select your login type to go to the login page. Enter your login credentials, then select Login. From the home page, go to the Fund Transfer section. Select Other Bank, then select your debit and credit accounts. Enter the transfer amount with transfer mode and purpose, then click on Transfer. Review your transaction details. If correct, then click on Confirm to proceed further. Enter your transaction password and the OTP received on your registered mobile number, then click on Submit to authenticate the transaction. Congratulations! Fund transfer to other banks through net banking is successful.